Buddy, Delta 1498 coming up on Zared here on F31.
Delta 1498, LaGuardia Tower, 34022, runway 31, clear to land, traffic holding on 4.
Land 31 Delta 1498.
American 1639, turn left Tango or Sierra, ground plane 7. American 1639, can you make Tango or Sierra?
Tango, we got it.
United 405, 4 foot takeoff, traffic 2 out, wind 34023.
Clear for takeoff, runway 4, United 405.
Delta 1875, LaGuardia Tower, runway 4, line of point, south landing 31.
Line of way 4, Delta 1875. 1639 over to ground.
Yep, left turn on Bravo, ground plane 7.
Bye-bye.
United 405, contact departure.
United 405.
Bearing 718, LaGuardia Tower, 34024, 31, clear to land, traffic holding on runway 4. United 5073, left Tango to Bravo, ground plane